Hi everyone, my name is Nathaniel Rowden. I've actually been in several classes with a few people in this class, so you might know me in person, but if not, you've probably seen me on the discussion boards, and I actually have posted my link to my website, so some of you may have seen it, but if you haven't, here it is. So the name of my website is Seek Shade Entertainment. The main purpose of it is to just share my thoughts. I'm kind of what some might consider a content creator. I'm not anything too special yet, nothing crazy, don't have hundreds of followers or anything like that. But I am starting, and I'd like to see this progress. So on my front page here, it just kind of shows you what type of content I do. So mostly I talk about movies, TV, and gaming. Breaking Bad, one of my favorites. If anyone hasn't watched it, I highly recommend. It's great. And then down here, Last of Us Part 2 is a game I recently finished. Amazing. Highly recommend. Down here is just an about section. So this kind of explains where the name Seek Shade came from. Talks about my beautiful wife and her support and everything that she does for me. She's amazing. And then there's these buttons down here. They actually all do work. I'll show you here in a second. But so all of these work except for Patreon. I don't have a Patreon yet, not asking for money from anybody, but maybe one day. And then right here, this Learn More button actually does take us to the contact page. So you see up here, I've got Home, Content, Resume, Store, and Contact. So I'll just show you that this works real quick, and we'll talk about my contact page. This just gives a little more information about who I am, where I'm from, and you know what I believe. And then these buttons work here. This works. I've tested it. And then I just kind of, as you can see, made everything look the same. You know, got the purple, black background, just make everything look kind of nice. So we'll go now to my content, which is the blog. I just liked the name content a little better. Right here, there's just some reviews for Red Dead Redemption, Spyro, also a video that I've made, and then down here, just a little explanation about Breaking Bad and why I like it. I also included my resume. It wasn't a requirement for the class, but I thought it'd be interesting to have on here just in case anyone was curious. I know sometimes people want to know what their content creators do and who they are, and this kind of explains it. So I thought I'd keep it simple and put that on there. Here is the shop. I wanted to show you that. Again, this was probably the most difficult thing for me. Not that it was anything hard, it's just that the videos were a little different. I'm sure you guys all experienced that as well. But these are just some ideas that I came up with, and I'll just show you one here. So this one is just a one size fits all, but if we go back to the shop, I can show you I set up the sizes as well. I'll show you the t-shirt. I know how exciting it looks. Right here you can see the small, medium, large, and it does change the prices based on what I click, and then you can add it to cart. I'll show you the cart here real quick. Obviously there's nothing in the cart yet. I'm not going to buy anything for myself. That would be silly, but if I did buy something, it would be there. And then we'll just go right back to the contact so I can show you that that works. And then I'll just take you back to the home. Awesome. And that's my website. Thank you so much for watching.